In this video, let me show you the way that you can delete your Telegram account. Welcome back to this new guide video on how Genex. In order for you to delete your account of Telegram, you cannot do it through the app, whether the desktop app or the mobile app that you have. In order for you to delete your account, you need to head over to this URL, my.telegram.org/delete. So open up a web browser and then just search for this URL. Once you're inside of this section, you'll need to type in your country code and then type in your phone number. In the next step, you're going to receive a confirmation code on your Telegram account. So you just need to head over to the Telegram app and then type in the code that you received. Once you now enter in the code and click on the sign in option, the next step you just need to select the delete option so that the entire account of Telegram is deleted. As I said, you will not receive this code on the SMS section on your phone. You will be sent this code on the Telegram application. So make sure you enter in this code correctly. Click on sign in. Make sure that you sign in on the web version of Telegram, and then you'll be able to see the delete option. So that's all there is in deleting your account of Telegram. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.